Are you getting no network error in CapCut, even when you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data? Don't worry. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to fix CapCut network issues step by step, whether you're using an iPhone or Android. Now, the first step is to check if your internet connection is stable. Just toggle your Wi-Fi on and off and refresh your CapCut by closing all the tabs and relaunch the application once again. If you're not helped with that, simply head to your CapCut. On your profile page, you want to tap onto the settings gear icon and scroll to feedback and about. Head to clear cache and then tap on confirm to clear app cache. Refresh and eventually your CapCut will work once again. Now the third step, if step 1 and 2 didn't work, simply force stop and reset CapCut. Head to your phone settings, select General and then head to iPhone storage. Search for the CapCut application and then head to it. You want to tap on Offload App and confirm by clicking on Offload App. This doesn't erase your data, but rather fixes the app glitches such as captions not generating, and among others. You just want to tap on Reinstall to access your CapCut once again. Now if all the steps didn't work for you, this might be due to regional restrictions. Simply connect to any VPN and then open your CapCut. Well, I personally faced the same problem once I updated my CapCut. The older version was more efficient. I hope this video helps you out. See you in the next one.